What are you doing?
Nothing?
What are you doing?
Doing your body mounts for your magnetic mounts for your body for your magnetic mounts. The body mounts, the magnetic ones.
No more posts?
No more posts. Now magnetic.
Yeah. That's the way. We don't have to drill into the beautiful body.
There are two of these.
Tell the viewing public what they're looking at in this car.
This would be a Pandora S15 RAIJIN, which is the lightning guard competition body kit. So it's super wide over fenders.
Whoa.
You know, front splitters, a different front end.
The intercooler on the front looks amazing.
Yeah. And the little vented hood that you stick in there, so it supposedly has vents and stuff. It just gives it more realistic. And then Ganador mirrors for those guys that are into real car, Japanese culture stuff. And then a nice splitter here.
Wow.
Right? A big bottom end splitter.
So tell people what a splitter is for.
So if you can imagine in real life, if air is traveling over something, you can maneuver and funnel that air into certain areas.
Yep.
So it can all push the smoke out more. And that's exactly what they did with this guy here. They made the over fender super wide and very narrow in this area so that they can funnel air onto the rear tire, cooling it down and also blowing the smoke, you know, more into the sky. Yeah. I haven't cut this guy out yet, but yeah, these are also obviously air. Yeah. For air
I think if you cut out all of them, it just, you know, looks too complete.
Or that's just me, you know, 1 o'clock in the morning, not thinking straight. But yeah,
it looks great, man.
I smoked the rear tail lights. There's no lights in this one.
There will be.
There will be.
There will be.
And then front splitter. Yeah.
Looks so nice.
Yeah. And then obviously the paint. This is a couple of different cans that I was using. The first coat would be Lame Flake from Tamiya. I don't know the PS code off by heart. And then some metallic blue in there splashed. And then I took gold and sprayed it into a can top and then splashed it on it. And then I shook the body so that it'll streak the paint so it looks like it's ran.
Looks awesome.
You know, over the top and stuff. And then there's a little bit of color change in it too.
I see it.
There's a little bit of gold dust in it. And then the roof I laced with see-through red and silver. And I signed it. What else? And then obviously pink. And then red and then black. So here and there you'll see some red coming through it. There's a specific spot where it came out nice. Here. There you can see the red. A little bit here and there. Yeah, just, you know, just something that I thought would represent RC Sparks. And then funny enough, his beautiful decal fits exactly the same kind of color scheme that I was thinking of. And here we go.
Yeah.
Look at this.
New chassis, new body.
Here is Jordan's ride. New chassis, new body. All the way around. This looks so good.
That's an AFRO special.
It's just something about drift cars, eh? They just look so sleek. Yeah. Brian?
Hey!
Welcome to the show, Elbows.
Elbows.
How are you, man?
Good over yourself.
Good, I'm excited to look at the Corolla.
Yeah.
Dude, this is one of the sickest things I've seen in a long time. What is it?
We're starting a new thing at AFRO RC with everybody started with HPI Sprint 2s. They're kind of a budget, all-wheel drive, get into, have fun car.
That's what I did, yeah.
Exactly. We've all gone to more high-end rear-wheel drive cars now, and we all have these Sprint 2s sitting around. So we are now converting them to rear-wheel drive.
What?
And gonna leave them brushed. Stock, it's still got the stock HPI ESC in it. That's not really
yes, I see it. Yeah.
attached anymore. Yeah, we're just going to do super budget, cheap rear-wheel drive drift class. It's fun.
Because not everything has to be expensive.
Exactly.
Right.
I haven't put a single penny into this thing. This is all spare parts that have been laying around.
No way.
And all that. Yeah, and then my teammate Kerry, he 3D printed all the front end stuff for it.
How long have you been drifting?
It's been about 8 years now.
8 years.
7 or 8 years now we've been into RC drifting. Yeah.
Dude, and
it all started here. Actually, I was sponsored by a previous hobby shop here. Was putting on drift events out in the arena. AFRO and a bunch of buddies from Vancouver came over one day randomly, just came over to the event, and that's how we met, and
brilliant.
the rest is history.
Yeah, man. That's how, as they say, the rest is history.
Yeah.
Dude, this is also super sick. This is unbelievable. I love the driver on the inside.
Yeah, Shaggy. He's always out for a cruise.
In a right-handed driver, man.
Yeah, S15.
Dude, so sick.
Yeah.
What car is this?
That is a NiSSAN S15.
The
The chassis is a YOKOMO YD-2 E+.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it's the carbon version of the basically. Oh, the light kit's in.
Oh nice.
Yeah.
That's okay. Oh man, there they are.
Yeah.
It's gonna look so good, man. I love these fans. Hey, they just look like a thruster.
Oh, they're unreal. Yeah, yeah. They sound like a computer fan.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I look forward to seeing this today.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you want to.
Look at this. So nice. The gummy bear car. Look at all the bears.
Doing the thing.
You want to tell them how you came about the gummy bear car?
Dude, it is so nice.
Thank you. It was a
Hello.
a mistake.
What's your name?
I'm Ben.
Ben, welcome to the show, Ben. Tell me about your drift car. It looks sick.
Well, it's an E30 wagon.
E30
It
wagon.
was supposed to be champagne,
Yeah.
and then you know how it goes when you're
Yes, I
flipping
do.
taillights for the first time.
Yeah.
You mess up a little bit, and one thing led to another, and now it's kind of this.
And now it looks incredible.
Yeah.
You went for one thing and it turned out way better.
Yeah. And I wasn't gonna put stickers on it, but when I messed up the paint, I got in touch with Drew from Select RC.
Yeah, he does a lot of graphics.
Yeah, and was just like, can you just hide my terrible paint with stickers? And this is what his genius mind came up with.
It's brilliant, man. I don't think it looks terrible at all. It fits
was
the bill.
perfect. It was a very, very good outcome. I'm very stoked with it.
Oh yeah. So nice. Nice drift. Long and deep, brother. That was epic. Look at this Toyota Corolla not set up yet. But he wants to get it out, show everybody because it looks sick. it's on a skating rink. Oh!
Yeah, you're gonna have to fix that
Yeah. But yeah, and then there was another bar that went here.
Yeah, so
that's like a brace to hold this up.
High rev
Two
motor.
other little pieces.
Wow. Dude, 110,000 RPM. That's ready. That's boot.
let's go.
Sweet.